Welcome to Sweet Sorcery. In today's episode, I'll be making a delicious Rocky Road cheesecake. Now, you don't need to have watched last week's episode on Rocky Road, but it will help if you'd like to use that for the topping for this cheesecake. I'll pop a link to that recipe in the description box below. Start by placing your biscuits into a Ziploc bag and seal it up. With a rolling pin, lightly bash the biscuits. If you overfill the bag or hit it too hard, it will pop like this. I'm going to have to try it again in a larger, stronger bag. Keep lightly bashing the biscuits until they're all broken up into small crumbs. Next, with the click of our fingers, we melt our butter. Or, if you haven't mastered this magic level yet, you can use a microwave. Put your biscuit crumbs into a bowl and add your melted butter. Stir until all the crumbs are nice and moist. Next, we line a springform pan with baking paper. Now, the easiest way to do this is to mark out the base with a pen and cut it out. We don't need to worry about lining the sides for this dish. Pour the biscuit mix into the base and spread it evenly. Then, with a piece of baking paper, press it down firmly. Pop the base into the fridge to harden while we make the cheesecake. In a large bowl, place your cream cheese and sugar. Now, you'll need to put your bowl on top of a tea towel so that it doesn't move around while you mix it together with a hand blender. Mix until the cream cheese is nice and smooth. You will need to make sure the cream cheese is soft before you try mixing it. If it's too hard, just leave it on the bench for about 10 minutes before you start mixing. Now, just set the cream cheese to the side while we bring water to a simmer in a medium saucepan. Place a large glass or stainless steel bowl on top, but make sure that the water doesn't touch the bottom of the bowl. Then melt your milk chocolate slowly over low heat. In a small dish, add the gelatin to the hot water and stir. It will take a few minutes for the gelatin to completely dissolve. Bring back the cream cheese bowl and add the melted chocolate, gelatin, and thickened cream. Then mix until smooth and airy. Add the chopped glazed cherries and the chopped marshmallows. Then fold everything together lightly. Then gently pour it over the chilled biscuit base and spread evenly, ensuring that the top is nice and flat. Pop the cheesecake into the fridge to set for about 3 hours. Once the cheesecake is set, we can run a knife around the edge. Then release the springform pan gently and lift off the sides. Next, we want to decorate the top. I'll be using the offcuts from the Rocky Road I made recently. There's a link to that recipe in the description box below and in the banner in the top right. And there we have it, a magically delicious Rocky Road cheesecake that is sure to wow. If you'd like to help keep this channel running, check out my Patreon below. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.